Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Have you ever wondered why more and more business owners are ditching the traditional brick and mortar model and choose to start mobile businesses? Let's dive into this. First off, customer convenience is king in today's fast-paced world. Owning a mobile business means you can literally move your products and services to where your customers are. You are not stuck in one spot, hoping people walk by. You go to them, creating a strategic advantage. Now let's talk about overhead costs. Renting or owning a physical store can be a huge financial burden, especially in prime locations. With a mobile business, you slash or eliminate those costs. No rent, fewer utilities, and low overhead. This means quicker ramp-ups and more money in your pocket. And here's a big advantage: a better customer experience. In a mobile setting, each customer interaction is on the customer's turf. This shows a unique commitment to the customer because you came to them. This personal touch can create loyal fans and repeat customers. Innovation is at the heart of mobile businesses. You're constantly on the move, learning from different markets and adapting your strategy. This agility allows you to try new things with less risk, keeping your business fresh and exciting. And hey, let's not forget about the digital integration. Mobile businesses are often driven by social and digital marketing. You can hype your next location or special offers with just a few clicks, creating a buzz wherever you park. So, if you're dreaming of starting your own business but are intimidated by the costs and commitment of a physical store, why not consider going mobile? It's less about the space you occupy and more about the connections you make and the customer convenience and flexibility you offer. Remember, the best store is the one that can go anywhere. Embrace the freedom, lower costs, and direct customer engagement that a mobile business can offer. It's not just a trend, it's the future of entrepreneurship. Jump on board and let's take this exciting ride together. See you out there.